Who's taking pictures? Being a fucking bitch, dude.
I want to record you so you can see what you look like later on.
I don't give a fuck what I look like, man. Honestly, dude. Stop.
What do you have to say about this ugliness, Muffin Man?
Hey, quit being a fucking bitch, dog. Honestly. You're being a fucking bitch. Bro, this is not shit to fuck around with, dude.
It is shit to fuck around with.
It's not funny, dude.
It is funny.
Why?
Because you don't listen and you don't learn.
What the fuck do you mean I don't listen?
You don't listen. The woman's been trying to tell you the whole time that she wants some space.
She's trying to tell me she needs time because of fucking mom being pissed. She doesn't need time for
regardless of what she needs fucking time for, she's telling you she needs time.
For fucking what, dude?
Because she needs a fucking break, maybe. Maybe because you're over fucking bearing, you're over possessive, you're over fucking overly jealous.
Honestly, I don't need to listen to you.
You do need to listen to me. That's the problem. You don't need to listen to me. You need to listen to her. What do you have to say about this, Brian?
It's not funny.
Muff would be laughing too, but he's a little upset right now. But instead, he's next to this thing. Wowzers.